Yes, I've definitely. I really because Atlanta is where I really wanted to go to. The next person wanted to come to. The next person wanted to come to Florida. So so my pretty much goal is if I can go back to New York and stay with my friend, and then drive come back down to Atlanta once I get the place. I did reach out to somebody this morning. That's a realtor there to see if they can help or assist me with moving there. So that's gonna be the plan. Pretty much try to get like a 1 bedroom or so, and I should be good. So we pretty much I didn't need all these boxes then, so I can't even throw the box them here. Cause we already throw half of the box already. I'm gonna need these box for some of the to put up box stuffs in now. I need Junior here for help. Cause Junior and I would have to drive go back. Guys, are we gonna Well guys, thank you guys so much. I'm looking for somebody else to play with, chat. I'm making breakfast. I'm trying to make a hot dog. I'm a hot dog. I do like relish and all those stuff, but to be honest, I rather my hot dog just with ketchup. Rather my hot dog with just ketchup. Yeah, this is definitely a lesson. This is definitely a lesson. But we all live and learn, right? And if me to just follow my mom from day one, to follow my mother from day one, this wouldn't happen. This wouldn't happen. How much more do you need? Text me text me Malcolm. Yep, waste all that money. What do you mean if you guys, me I get up and leave the place? Anybody wants to stay in here, I don't care. People have their address and people are calling police and stuff. I've lived in America for 5 years and nobody never know where I lived.
Ahí entonces,
The realtor, the realtor might know the address. Cause Tikki, I can't Tikki know the address cause Tikki doesn't know the address. So if a destiny forget it's not like Tikki give it to somebody and somebody then give it Tikki don't know the address. Or the person know the address is me, the landlord and the realtor. The landlord doesn't know the landlord don't use TikTok. So either me, my mother know what's moving, but my mother even know my mother never even know where no one responded because I must say people they say they posted up on Instagram and people they screenshot and people they put it over here on TikTok. So that's why you know it. But about the next one too. Everybody will fight them one of battles in life. Come on, why not take you back to all? Why not take you back to all? I take you and give the fuck. Like you have behaved like this towards Tikki. And they claim to say you have Tikki back all along. And me, me, this your address. I guess she follows someone who saw that video. Do you know her full name? Because I will take legal actions if she continues. Then my safety is compromised. And I continue doing now, don't put myself in a trouble here. And I continue feel like when I bring down Tikki, it's not Tikki alone live here. And at the same time, when I put myself in trouble, these people are professional people that when I play with. The landlords are not rate people. And the need for stop. And enough regular people will rent the place from. People don't have their money. So when they stay there, play around with the people in my dress. When they stay there and play around with the people in my dress. When they stay around and play with the people in my dress. Fuck around and find out. I can look the money, fuck back home. I'm trying to look it to get back home. Make a wrong decision. And I'm just gonna have to learn from it. Moving forward. One thing I can tell to you guys is listen to your mom. Okay, no matter how old you are, or how you feel like you're grown, or how you feel like You know, you have everything. You can everything on your own. Listen to your mother. Listen to your mom. Because if I did, I wouldn't be here. If I did, I wouldn't be here. That's one thing I can say. I really like the place, you know. I really like the place. The place is so quiet. In a baga. The whole time we see Jamaican people, which I have no problem with Jamaican people, but the black people that I saw was Jamaican people, which was yesterday. We went to Burlington, I saw a Jamaican person. I just started to realize it was from TikTok. The place is so comfortable and nice. Some of them could definitely just pick up and continue and then stay for the 1 year of the lease and then get up and move to exactly where I wanted to go. Because I never want to come here. So I could have used this place to grow and develop myself even better. Grow the business. Yeah, so she can get in trouble to call and make false allegations that she lived on the building and stuff. So she can definitely get in trouble for that. They're asking for her full name so they can do like a restraining order or press charge or something. Thank you, John. Thank you, John, so much. But I don't know her full name, so that's the thing. Thank you, John. I don't know it. They're asking me for her name. They can't do much to Destiny because Destiny lives in a completely different country, and also Rosalie, but they can to her. And at the end of the day as well, you know, she come through the border and stuff. I just think that she's safe. Kevin is the first name, but what's the last name? They're asking me for the last name. They need a full name. I don't know who to ask. I don't associate myself with those people. Whose name? The landlord wants a shanty name. The person named Kevin Little. No, I'm not the one suing. The landlord is suing him for whatever he did on whatever, because they saw the video. Macy's not going to know that. Macy's not going to tell nobody that the people the name. The landlord want the name. Kevin Russell. There will be I don't want to talk about the real letter though. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you, Jen. So good. Thank you, Life is a Journey. Thank you, Virgo Queen. Thank you, Millionaire. Thank you, Nessa. Thank you, user Looking Libra and everybody else who's tapping the screen. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. No, I asked Juna to stay one more day because it will need me and Juna to go back home. So me try to see if we can drive back. We can drive back.
Trev,
Yeah.
the realtor is to be accountable for this because
Yeah.
whether Tikki and her have a problem,
They don't know. They know that. I don't want to speak on her. They already know that.
no, listen now. Remember, Batty World is the worst world. And once Batty World have something pound, no, them not gonna come off, no. Because them just feel like them have this again to no address. It's just the address. If them never know the address, them could have come off like this. Them could have do this. Because them not wonder one there. Them could have do this. Remember, I used to blood clot, big fuck out, soursop tree, Christmas tree, Rosalie. She for blood clot member say, Tikki never called CDR, whatever they want to call it, a Jamaica Panar. So she should never blood clot call nobody and they on live. Rose remember so she have kids. Whether Kitty loud and whatever, everybody knows say I saw blood clot, Kitty stay a long time. You understand me? A foolishness them blood clot though. Foolishness, it never have to go this far. It never have to went this far. But me blame the realtor because you should never give out the address. And when you and Tikki want cuss and Tikki want bring you down, the address supposed to be with you and your client them. Nobody else. When you go off a she, Ashanti and Rose. Rose for go suck out her mother. Have a good day. Take me off of this, because I'm ignorant. Take me off.
Alright, Cassie. Thank you. The address is the problem. Yep. I'm looking somebody else to play with, chat. I'm looking somebody else to play with. It's early Sunday morning. The person that's texting me, I still